The reason I was speeding, I had my emergency lights on and I was indicating it was an emergency. It was like 3 at night. I was being chased.
Let me cut you off there. Next case, State of Kansas versus Brandon L. Padilla McCool, 24 TR 1702. Good afternoon, Mr. Padilla McCool.
Good afternoon, Your Honor.
You are charged by way of information on or about June 27, 2024 in Butler County, Kansas, with fleeing or attempting to elude an officer, a level 9 person felony. Count 2, you're charged, same location, driving 87 miles per hour in a 45 mile per hour zone, speeding and infraction. Those are the charges. And do you understand the charges?
What does elude mean?
Pardon me?
What does elude mean?
The best I can answer that, and this does not come from any type of a dictionary, but eluding typically means trying to get away from.
Okay. Correct.
And in the count 1, it specifically states on or about June 27, 2024 in Butler County, Kansas, Brendan L. Padilla McCool did then and there unlawfully and willfully fail or refuse to bring such motor vehicle to a stop, or otherwise did flee or attempt to flee a pursuing police vehicle or bicycle when given a visual or audible signal to wit, hand, voice, siren, or emergency light to bring the vehicle to a stop by a police officer in uniform prominently displaying such officer's badge of office in an appropriately marked official police vehicle or bicycle, and during the course of the police pursuit, defendant engaged in reckless driving as defined by statute, commonly referred to as fleeing or attempting to elude an officer, a level 9 person felony.
Yes.
And Mr. Padilla McCool, do you understand the charges?
Yes.
Sir, you do have the right to counsel. If you cannot afford an attorney, one would be appointed to represent you. Are you currently employed?
Yeah, I swore into the U.S. Navy, and I got a job as a yeoman. I'm gonna go out on October 31st to go to basic and go to my schooling in Mississippi and then Connecticut. And so this I really just want to get solved. Obviously I made the crime. I need to do my time, knowing up to what I did. The reason I was speeding, I had my emergency lights on and I was indicating it was an emergency. It was like 3 at night. I was being chased.
Let me cut you off there. I think that you definitely need to pursue discussion with an attorney before you go into any type of admission or what might attempt to be viewed as an admission. So I'm not taking any type of confession here today or admission to anything. Simply, the court will, I'm trying to make inquiry. Are you currently working anywhere?
No.
Okay. And do you have any money put back in savings?
No.
Okay. Based on your lack of financial wherewithal, I do find you qualify for court-appointed counsel, and the court appoints Jim Watts to represent you at all stages of the proceedings. Jim Watts is appointed to represent you at all stages of the proceedings. Subsequently, the court sets the next appearance before myself. This will be set before myself on Monday, September 16, 2024 at 2:30. Monday, September 16, 2024 at 2:30 before myself. That will be conducted by Zoom process at that point.
Okay.
Monday, September 16, 2024 at 2:30. So Mr. Watts has been appointed. That's your next appearance date. Court needs to set appropriate bond. What is your current address? Do you have any family that reside in Butler County, Kansas?
No, I do not.
Okay. And recommendation for bond, Mr. Regier?
Yes, Your Honor. Besides all standard conditions, 5,000 cash or surety, besides the at least one felony currently before the court, as well as the defendant's seeming indications on the record today that he has little, if any, ties to Butler County. The state does have some. This case does have some somewhat peculiar facts. Besides count 2 of the information alleging a speed almost 2 times the legal limit, paragraphs 5, 6, and 7 of the affidavit appear to be somewhat relevant. 5 and 6 of those paragraphs appear to allege the defendant illegally passed 2 semi-trucks at approximately 100 miles an hour, at least one of which was passed after he had extinguished all of his lights. Additionally, paragraph 7 would appear to refer to the time that the defendant was taken to a custody, which would appear to be approximately 3 o'clock in the morning, certainly within nocturnal hours.
Thank you, Mr. Regier. And the recommendation was for 5,000 cash or surety bond.
Yes,
Is that
Your Honor.
correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Padilla McCool, I think a surety bond is appropriate in your case. I'm going to order a $2,500 cash or surety bond. $2,500 cash or surety bond.
Okay. And that will get me out of jail right now until I proceed with my case.
Can what?
It will get me out of jail until I proceed with my case. Or how long will I be in jail?
Well, you need to make your bond first of all. You either have to post $2,500 with the jail or obtain the services of an approved bondsman. Then once that is accomplished, you would be free on bond. And I would suggest highly you contact Mr. Watts immediately in regards to representation on your case.
Okay. So if I made bond, say Monday or Sunday, I'd be able to get go able and contact Mr. Watts.
Yes, he works Monday through Friday, typically 9 to 5. So that'd be the one you would contact him.
Okay, thank you. Because I'm trying to talk to my recruiters too on Monday, and I really need to let them know what's going on with this. That way they can handle it best as well and advise me what to do. Because I'm not supposed to be getting out of trouble while I swore in, you know.
Okay. Well, you'd want to get a hold of your recruiter, it sounds like.
Yeah. But I also want to, like you said, get Mr. Watts and see what his opinion is and do what I can, you know, to own up to my mistakes and
Yes.
be honest.
Okay. There being nothing further, court is in recess. Good luck to you.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Mr. Watts is located in El Dorado.